Are you ready to immerse yourself in the captivating world of Turkish dramas, where intense emotions and heartfelt stories come alive? Today, we present the Top 10 Angry Hero, Innocent Girl Love Story Turkish Drama Series that will keep you glued to your screen from the very first episode. And the best part, you can enjoy these dramas with English subtitles, making them accessible to a global audience. Let's dive in. At number 10, we have Sanyas, and its English name is Last Summer. Prosecutor Salim Kara is tasked with protecting Agun, a young man entangled in the criminal underworld. Agun's rebellious nature clashes with Salim's disciplined demeanor as they navigate their differences. Agun meets Salim's innocent daughter, Yağmur, sparking unexpected emotions. Can love and trust develop? Amidst chaos and anger, discover their intertwined fates in Sanyas. At number 9, we have Kuzgun, and its English name is The Raven. Kuzgun's life is shattered when his father, a police officer, is betrayed and imprisoned. Years later, Kuzgun returns, hardened and seeking revenge. He encounters Dila, his childhood love, whose innocence stands in stark contrast to his anger-fueled mission. Will Kuzgun's thirst for vengeance destroy any chance of rekindling their love? Uncover the twists and turns in Kuzgun. At number 8, we have Yürek Çıkmazı, and its English name is Three Sisters. This heartwarming series revolves around three sisters, Turkan, Doniz, and Derya, each with distinct personalities and dreams. Turkan's arranged marriage to Sama, a man embittered by past experiences, sets off a chain of events that test familial bonds and individual resilience. Can Turkan's innocence and love transform Sama's anger into affection? Experience their familial journey in Yürek Çıkmazı. At number 7, we have Kasaba Doktoru, and its English name is Town Doctor. Set in a small town, this series follows Dr. Kim, a talented but irritable surgeon who relocates from the city after a personal tragedy. He meets Leela, an innocent and dedicated nurse whose optimism challenges Kemal's hardened exterior as they work together to serve the community. Will Leela's warmth melt Kemal's anger, leading to healing for both? Find out in Kasaba Doktoru. At number 6, we have Yürek Çıkmazı, and its English name is Secrets of an Angel. This drama centers on Senet, a woman who endures a tumultuous marriage with Ilmaz, a man plagued by anger and addiction. Despite her suffering, Senet's innocence and hope remain unbroken. Their children's lives are deeply affected by their father's rage and their mother's unwavering kindness. How will this family navigate the challenges posed by Ilmaz's fury and Senet's enduring spirit? Delve into their story in Yürek Çıkmazı. At number 5, we have Gülcemal. Gülcemal tells the story of a man scarred by his mother's abandonment, leading him to become a feared figure in his town. His encounter with Deva, a gentle and innocent woman, sets the stage for a tumultuous relationship. As Gülcemal's anger clashes with Deva's compassion, can love bridge the gap between their troubled pasts? Explore their poignant journey in Gülcemal. At number 4, we have Hudutsuz Sevda, and its English name is Boundless Love. Halil Ibrahim's life is consumed by the desire for revenge. After losing the love of his life, his quest leads him to Zeynep, a member of the Leto family, whom he holds responsible for his pain. Zeynep's innocence and resilience challenge Halil's anger, leading to an intense and transformative journey for both. Will Halil's thirst for revenge overshadow the possibility of new love? Witness their emotional saga in Hudutsuz Sevda. At number 3, we have Gaddar. In this gripping drama, we follow the story of Ali, a man hardened by betrayal and loss, seeking vengeance against those who wronged him. His path crosses with Elif, a kind-hearted and innocent woman who becomes an unwitting pawn in his plans. As Ali's anger battles with Elif's purity, will love find a way to heal their wounds, or will vengeance consume them both? Unravel the complexities of their relationship in Gaddar. At number 2, we have Bir Başkadır, and its English name is Ethos. Set in Istanbul, this series weaves together the lives of diverse characters, including Miriam, a humble cleaner from a conservative background, and Perry, a sophisticated therapist. their contrasting worlds collide, revealing deep-seated prejudices and unexpected connections. How do their interactions challenge their beliefs and transform their lives? Discover the intricate narratives in Bir Başkadır. At number 1, we have Yalı Çapkını, and it's from their hometown. As Ferit's anger clashes with Seyran's innocence, their journey